welcome back to my channel. Now I could say that again because before it was like, welcome me back. Guys, I decided to play with some products today. I work alongside with ILMakiage. It is such an amazing company. They are Italian based. So when I was talking to you guys about Italian makeup, they are amazing. They are flawless and beautiful and perform magically. So on my face is almost a lot of products actually. There are quite a few products. I think I had used more than 6 products from ILMakiage. And let me tell you, I was very impressed. Every time I use their products, I get left like, is that me? Who's that? That ain't me. But that is me. So if you want to see how I created this look and the products that I use, because I did use a few other products. I also did go into Juno&Co. This is their Juno Blur setting powder. And I did use their Moonshine Miracle Cream. And I see the hype with this cream and with this. I did get their sculpting palette, but it came broken, so I'm waiting for a reply on the email. And actually, I'll show it to you. Let's see, it's right behind me. Let's grab it without making a mess. I tried to compress it because it was real bad. If you saw my stories on Instagram, I can't even, I'm gonna try to do it like that. These two back here completely they were like brittle. But as I was pressing the formula in with some alcohol, I see why. They are very, very soft. Oh my goodness. But those are one of the best type of products when they're soft like that, because they'll glide on beautifully. So when I get that, I will definitely do another video and use it because it looks gorgeous. But if you want to see, like I said, how I did this gorgeous look that you can wear to any party this month or any time, or just because you feel like you need to look glam and gorgeous, hey, do it. Do it. You deserve it. So let's go ahead and get started. Which way? This way. So first I'm going to go ahead and cut out, since I'm doing black in this corner, I'm going to cut it out with their gel liner. This helps to deepen the black that I'm going to use from another palette. So here we go. Now come in with your black eyeshadow. So I'm using, from the Sultry palette, I'm using Noir. And just dab. That's what I do. I dab so that way I could build it up. And then after you dab, you go ahead and you blend. Next, I'm going to go into the ColorBoss Master Palette. This is their holiday collection. And I'm going to go into this beautiful brown right here. And I'm using an ILMakiage. It's called a Cream Shader Brush, but I'm using it for, even though these are, they're kind of creamy. So I'm going to go ahead and layer it right next to the black. And you just gotta keep blending and layering and blending and layering. And trust me, this disaster will look amazing once it is complete. So right now it's not looking very cute, but as I keep adding and blending, it's gonna look amazing. Now I'm going back into the Sultry palette, and I'm gonna use Twig and just go over it. My eye is bare. I actually put no primer, no nothing. These shadows from ILMakiage, they blend so perfectly that you really do not need anything on your eye. And so do these from Anastasia. So I'm going bare. Next, with the same brush, and this is the Anastasia brush, I'm going into Birch, which is a bit lighter, just to lighten the outer crease. So I cut my crease on this side with the ILMakiage. This is the F. I'm flawless. I'm gonna curse on the video. And this concealer is amazing. I use it for my under eyes, but I also use it to cut my crease like I'm doing now. And it does such a great job. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a flat brush, a flat tighter one, so that way I can get the inner corner a little bit better. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these. That's perfect. And then I'm gonna use a swab, a cotton pad, not swab, and clean up anything that fell underneath my eye. And don't worry, it's gonna definitely look better. Let me just clean up and proceed to the next step. So the next step is going to be applying my ILMakiage Woke Up Like This foundation, and this one is an 85. Maybe I should have held it this way, right? This is an 85, and I'm also going to go ahead and use the concealer. This is their corrector, and this one is number 20, and then I use their concealer number 8 to hide these bad boys that I have. So stay tuned. You're going to watch me applying this. So the next step that I'm going to do is my brows, and I'm going to use the ILMakiage brow pencil. This one is in Blondy, and believe it or not, this was a little bit too light for me, but it works and it looks more natural. So I'm going to be applying this now. Keep watching. So here's one brow done. I actually cut it in and everything with the same one that I used to cut in the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit on this side so you guys could see it live. This pencil is so easy. It's creamy. It glides on. But one thing, even though that it's creamy, usually you think creamy, you're like, oh my God, I'm going to touch it and it's going to come off. No. Once it sets, it stays in and doesn't budge. So I'm going to go ahead with ILMakiage's brown lip liner, and I was between the Carly Bible lip collection because it's gorgeous, but I remembered that I hadn't used this matte range. Hello, hold it right. This is matte Rager, can't speak, and it's such a gorgeous red, so I'm going to go in with that. a finished product. I'm zoom in a little bit for you. Zoom in as in bring myself in. This was so easy to create, as you saw. My biggest advice to anyone is always blend, 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 add and blend, add and blend, and you will literally get a beautiful look. This lipstick is so comfortable. It dries matte, but it's one of those mattes that is flexible and moves beautifully. So definitely want to pick these products up that I use from ILMakiage. As you saw, I made mistakes. Even if I made a mistake here, I didn't, thank God. I was going to go ahead and go in with the concealer. And what I love is that this foundation, concealer, and actually this Juno&Co powder worked beautifully together. So definitely don't worry about mistakes, that this woke up like this, and the concealer are amazing. We cannot forget highlighter, so I'm going to go in with their loose highlighter. This one is in Gold Sand. Look how gorgeous that is. Go ahead and use this side. And just, let's move this hair out the way, right? This is a gorgeous golden color. If you look at it real quick, it kind of looks like, oh, this is beautiful. Look at that. It looks like if it's a rose gold. So it could definitely pick up. Oh my God. I'm living. Let's dab on the nose. If you want to intensify this, you can go ahead and put some setting spray and intensify it even more. But this is amazing. They also have their baked highlighter, which I love. It's so gorgeous. I don't know. I want to beam it to the earth. Oh my goodness. You guys should see this in the mirror. I wasn't even looking. I was using the cell phone. How you doing? So what you guys think? That's not that hard, right? I talked a little bit throughout so that way I can tell you a little bit of what to do. I have a lot of videos like that. So if you're looking for videos on, me going detailed, go right ahead and look at them. I have them from beginning to end. I'm trying to make videos that are a little bit shorter, so that's why I'm not like showing from the beginning to the end. I'm showing either eye looks or foundations and stuff like that. I'm actually going to, I put on Instagram my top 6 foundations, and I'm thinking about doing a video about it. So if you're interested, let me know. I'm also going to be trying to do a skincare video as well, because you cannot have flawless, beautiful makeup if you do not take care of your skin. This is like huge thing. Take care of your skin and you will see how amazing your makeup will look and apply. Okay. But this is it. Everything that I used, I'm gonna go ahead, like always, listed below, so that way if you guys are interested in checking that out. Also, if you're interested in any videos, by all means, let me know what you're interested in seeing, and I'll definitely go ahead and do it. But check out my Instagram. That is where I'm most active, and I have a lot of pictures and videos and different things there, so that way you can get an idea what it is that I do. Okay. Well, obviously you should know what I do. Hello, it's written all over my face. But since I'm rusty, I keep forgetting to tell you, like, hit that little like button. That lets me know if you like it. Don't hit the thumbs button. If you don't like it, just keep it moving. Don't hit that button. That button like devastates everybody that gets that button. And I'm speaking for all of us. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you are notified when I upload next. And like I always say, remember that every negative has a positive. So stay tuned. That positive will be coming. Okay? It takes a little time, but it comes. It comes. Trust me on that. Take care, y'all.